How do I split the definition of a long string over multiple lines? I have a very long query. I would like to split it in several lines in Python. A way to do it in JavaScript would be using several sentences and joining them with a plus operator. I know, maybe it's not the most efficient way to do it, but I'm not really concerned about performance in this stage, just code readability. Example. I tried doing something similar in Python, but it didn't work, so I used to split the long string. However, I'm not sure if this is the only /best/Pythonist way of doing it. It looks awkward. Actual code.
Are you talking about multiline strings? Easy, use triple quotes to start and end in. You can use single quotes too, 3 of them of course at start and end, and treat the resulting string S just like any other string. Note, just as with any string, anything between the starting and ending quotes becomes part of the string, so this example has a leading blank, as pointed out by @root45. This string will also contain both blanks and new lines, i.e. Finally, one can also construct long lines in Python like this, which will not include any extra blanks or new lines. This is a deliberate example showing what the effect of skipping blanks will result in. No commas required. Simply place the strings to be joined together into a pair of parentheses and be sure to account for any needed blanks and new lines.
If you don't want a multi-line string, but just have a long single-line string, you can use parentheses. Just make sure you don't include commas between the string segments, then it will be a tuple. In a SQL statement like what you're constructing, multi-line strings would also be fine. But if the extra white space a multi-line string would contain would be a problem, then this would be a good way to achieve what you want. As noted in the comments, concatenating SQL queries in this way is a SQL injection security risk waiting to happen, so use your database's parameterized queries feature to prevent this. However, I'm leaving the answer as is otherwise as it directly answers the question asked.
Breaking lines by works for me. Here is an example.
I found myself happy with this one.
If you want to see more, please consider